I bring you a very simple recipe that is not expensive and you can prepare in less than 30 minutes if you have your whole family at home. Today we are going to make Fideua de marisco. Fideua is a very typical Spanish dish that is very similar to paella. You must make the sofrito, you need a good broth, but instead of using rice, it's made with a special pasta for Fideua. If you can't find this pasta, don't worry because you can use any other kind of pasta. And if you want, I have here a link. This is my recipe for paella. You can use also this recipe to make the Fideua. Just you need to reduce the quantity of the broth. Okay? So that's it. Let's get started with the ingredients. To make a Fideua for 2 people, we need 1 onion, 1 tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, 200 grams of pasta, 1 tablespoon of paprika, saffron, fish broth, 2 dried red bell peppers, and a monkfish tail, and 4 prawns. To make this recipe for more people, modify only these ingredients. Boil water and put the 2 peppers to soak. Wash and dry the monkfish with kitchen paper. Separate the loins and reserve the central spine. We will add it to our broth. Cut into pieces. Chop the onion and garlic. In a pan, add a good amount of olive oil. We are going to brown the prawns over high heat. 1 minute for each side will be enough. While we put our broth in a saucepan and add the monkfish spine and some saffron strips. Cook for about 10 minutes. Remove the prawns and add the monkfish to the pan. Brown a little for a few minutes and remove. In this same oil, we are going to fry the onion and garlic. While we are going to grate the tomato and we are going to remove the skin from the peppers that have been soaked. Add the grated tomato and pepper to the pan and mix very well. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and add the paprika. Mix well and add the pasta. We want it to be impregnated with all the flavor. Add the fish and the broth. I cover the pasta with the broth and then if I see that it needs more, I add a little. You can calculate more or less for about 300 grams of pasta, 500 milliliters of broth. Taste of salt and add a little if it needed. Cook for a few minutes and place the prawns on top. Let it cook until done. The time will depend of the thickness of the pasta you have chosen. This pasta for Fideua needs about 8-9 minutes. And it's ready, guys. let it rest for about 5 minutes and you can enjoy. Let's try it! It's so good! Un momento. Hayden, quita! Quita, Berlin! We will see you the next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!